Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 29. A, sir, nil. B, no, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, even though we have discussed a bit yesterday with regard to this question, but in the course of response at A, it is unfortunate that there is no proposal under Khelo India and Riboi district. In the course of response at B, sir, even though yesterday in the question hour, the response is that the proposal is under Khelo India, but today it is no. Anyway, I would like to get a positive response and a categorical response from the Honorable Minister, because the proposal for the playground at Chimchana, Pam Siem Nongpo, is very important, being a district headquarter, and at the same time, there is no standard stadium in Riboi district as a whole. So I would like to request the Honorable Minister, the Honorable Chief Minister, to take on priority for the proposal, be it from central sponsored scheme, be it from the state scheme, but this improvement and the construction of a standard playground at Pam Siem Nongpo will be considered on a priority list. I would like to get a categorical response on this.
Mr. Speaker, sir, so the answer to start question 29A. So if you look at the question clearly states that sanctioned under Khelo India. So an proposal we have sent, sir, but sanction is yet to be received. So I've answered according to the questions and sanction it is. And sir, like the honorable member has stated that under Riboi, sir, so the proposal that was sent under Khelo India, so we've already sent, but the proposal is for artificial athletic track, sir, not artificial football turf. That we have sent under Khelo India, sir, and we're still waiting for the approval, sir.
So my question number 2, whether the sports department are under consideration for sanction for other improvement of playground within Nongpo constituency. The proposal I have sent even in the past